Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install plugins on Discord. But we have to start by downloading Better Discord app. You can go to betterdiscord.app in order to download the application. So once you enter the website, click on download. Now go through the installation process. And after that, once the installation is done, click close, and then your Discord should automatically restart. After that, if you go to your user settings and you scroll down, you should find Better Discord section, where you also find plugins settings. And here you have this section where you can manage your plugins. So now let me show you what you can do in order to install one. On the same website as before, at the top you have plugins. If you click on it, you will be redirected to a website or a page where you have many different plugins. So now let's select one. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one called Time Counter. And then over here I have the download button. So let's click on it, and then you want to save it somewhere on your PC. Back on Discord, in the plugins settings, you want to open plugins folder. And then over here you want to paste the file that you have just downloaded from that website. So like so. Over here now you should see that you have the plugin on your Discord, which you can enable over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.